Lamborghini. Sounds too good to be true, right? But that is exactly what one online trading site is offering in a bid to drum up publicity. So we all know Sammy, look at him, he looks right at home, he loves his cars. So we thought we would send him along to see which of the breakfast team this Lamborghini would best suit.
So you've heard of Trade Me, right? But have you heard of Lixtor.co.nz?
So Lixtor is like an auction site like Trade Me, except we don't charge success fees.
When it comes to online sales, it's the new kid on the block. To get the website a bit of publicity, they thought they would dabble in some creative marketing.
To gain memberships, a lot of membership to my website, I'm making like a $1 auction for Lamborghini.
Which could potentially be quite expensive for you in the long run if it doesn't work out.
Yes, but just consider this like a marketing cost.
$1 reserved for a Lambo. It's a good deal. So we got the breakfast team thinking, maybe we could buy it. But who would it suit best? Let's start with the woman who spends her mornings directing traffic.
How do you ring your seatbelt? There's no button. Why isn't it like a normal car? What's that?
That's the window wipers!
Come on, let's go look at this cool car.
Or perhaps it's time for Melissa to trade in the mummy mobile.
Do you like it? Now let's put your car seat in, buddy. Where? In the back. No. Oh no back.
I guess I grew up on an older
Right,
road.
ready? We're gonna get this sucker in.
I always did what I was told.
Oh my God.
Until I found out that my brand new clothes came secondhand from the rich kids next door.
Anything? Ready? Give them a wave. Say see you later.
Then it was off to the Catwoman's house. Quite different from the pound van. Could this be the ride for Rico?
How dare you? Real sloppy.
Here you go. Where does he go?
And with us?
No.
Yeah.
The Lambo would surely be the perfect tool to complement Rawdon's midlife crisis.
Come on guys, Dad's doing the school run today. Good boy. Good boy. Jump in. Come on, hurry up, gonna be late for school.
So after some rigorous testing, turns out a two-seat 500 horsepower monster isn't particularly practical for the breakfast team.
There you go, right now, close the door. Excellent.
Have you seen this?
I was gonna stop there and we were gonna have more room.
But for a young and vibrant weatherman,
This is a bit flash now, isn't it?
just perfect.
Gosh, this is a good old drive. It's like a tornado. You're gonna have to be careful with the pedals though, blimey.
Very good.
Brilliant.
Very
I
good.
can't believe you managed to get the dog and 3 children in there, but poor old Georgie had his leg halfway up.
It was a funny day. We had a lot of fun. I think Sam had a lot of fun.
Rico was very confused and we apologised to the car yard. There was a little dog here left in there when we got out.
Oh, yeah. What did you do with the bag of...
Well, I put it in the bin, of course. You've got to pick it up.
There you go. Anyway, what Sammy does on his days off. Then news is coming up then later. Just how hard is it to appear on live TV?